Hello everyone, welcome to Tarun Tutorials. The topic which we are going to discuss today is catalysis. The phenomenon of altering the velocity of a chemical reaction by presence of the catalyst is known as catalysis. Types of catalysis. The catalyzed reactions are classified broadly into two classes. First, homogeneous catalysis and second, heterogeneous catalysis. Homogeneous catalysis. The catalytic reaction in which the catalyst as well as reactants are present in same physical state is known as homogeneous catalysis reactions. If all the reactants are solid and catalyst is also solid, or all the reactants are gaseous and catalyst is also a gas, or the reactants and catalyst are in the form of miscible liquids or in the form of solution. Generally, there is one phase during homogeneous catalysis reactions. For example, dilute HCl catalyzed hydrolysis of ethyl acetate in solution phase, nitric oxide gas catalyst for gaseous reaction of SO2 and O2. Heterogeneous catalysis. A reaction in which catalyst is in different physical state than the reactants. For example, oxidation of SO2 gas to SO3 gas by platinum catalyst in solid state, hydrogenation of vegetable oil liquid by solid catalyst punch-nickel. Heterogeneous catalysis finds extensive applications. Practically 90% of reaction in chemistry are facilitated by the phenomenon worldwide. This field of chemistry, to name few, are textiles, medicines, food, chemicals, are all in use of a catalyst in one or the other way. The production of each of these and many other utility materials is required to be multifold owing to the increased population and needs. Because of the high demand, it is also necessary to design chemical processes to develop newer catalysts which are specific in action. The phenomenon of catalysis is to be studied in depth to understand the first speed of reactions and second yield of products. Wherein one and some reaction can give better yield of products when a particular catalyst is used, yielding high rate of reaction, whereas some reactants just rebound if impinged upon some other inert surfaces with more or less retention or transitional, vibrational or rotational energy. Why does this happen is a key question which is to be answered. Catalyst. A catalyst is the substance, a small amount of which alters, increases or decreases the velocity of a chemical reaction without undergoing any change in it at the end of the reaction. Types of catalyst are as follows. First, positive catalyst. When a catalyst accelerates the speed of reaction, it is called positive catalyst. For example, first, rate of decomposition of KClO3 is increased in the presence of MnO2. Second, biological reactions are enhanced by enzymes as positive catalysts. Third, hydrolysis of an ester is enhanced by presence of mineral acids as catalysts. Second type, negative catalyst. When a catalyst retards the speed of reaction, it is called as negative catalyst. For example, first, a rate of decomposition of H2O2 into H2O and O2 is decreased by presence of glycerol or a dilute acid. Second, rate of oxidation of CHCl is decreased by presence of alcohol catalyst. And third, brucine reduces the speed of atmospheric oxidation of alkaline sodium bisulfite. Activity of catalyst may be affected by presence of even small quantity or traces of certain other substances. A promoter is a substance which is not catalyst but can increase the activity of a catalyst. Example, in the manufacture of NH3 from N2 and H2, iron acts as a catalyst, but the MO or Al2O2 plus K2O in small quantity along with iron acts as a promoter. A catalytic poison or anti-catalyst is a substance which destroys the activity of catalyst completely, even if it is in small quantity. Example, H2O3, if present in even traces in the catalyst spongy platinum, inhibits or destroys the catalytic action of platinum in the manufacture of H2SO4 by chamber process. Third, autocatalyst or self-catalysis, a chemical reaction in which if one of the reaction products is also a catalyst for the same or a coupled reaction. Such a reaction is called an autolytic reaction. For example, permanganate with oxalic acid. When the permanganate is reacted with oxalic acid, The reaction is catalyzed by Mn ions. When potassium permanganate undergoes a reaction with acidified oxalate solution, the rate of the reaction is initially slow. It slowly increases in rate due to the formation of Mn2 plus ions as follows. If a little Mn2 plus is added to the reactants initially, the reaction goes at very fast rate. Characteristics. Characteristics of a good catalyst can be summarized as: first, it should possess high activity and long stability. Second, it should be selective for the process. And third, it should direct the conversion of reactant or reactants into products along one specific pathway. Catalytic promoter and inhibitor. First, catalytic promoter. Catalytic promoters can be defined as those substances which are added with catalyst in a chemical reaction to increase the efficiency or activity of the catalyst is known as catalytic promoter. For example, N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. Second, catalytic inhibitors. Catalytic inhibitors can be defined as chemical or substances added or applied to another substance to slow down a reaction or to prevent an unwanted chemical change. For example, antioxidants are added as inhibitors to food to retard its spoilage from exposure to air, that is oxygen. Industrial applications of catalysts. First, catalysts for ring opening, cracking and hydrocracking, cyclization, aromatization, reduction of NO, oxidization of hydrocarbons, reduction of NH3. Second, molecular sleeves for separation of different size molecules or ions in mixture. Third, absorbents for removing of colored organic matter from solutions and wastes. Fourth, cation exchangers for exchange of cations in water or solutions. Fifth, fireproof polymer composites. Cationic polymer chains are intercalated between clay anions to form very strong and fireproof composites. If you liked my content, do like my video, comment, share, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.